guys, welcome to my second channel. This channel is going to be all about home videos. The videos that I do away from crafts and stuff like that. So, this is just an introduction to my channel. So on this channel you'll get to see decorating for Halloween and Christmas on this channel, and all home videos on this channel, guys. So if you can join me, you're more than welcome to join me, guys, on this channel, as well as my crafting channel as well. So if you want to join me on this channel, you can. It's gonna be all about home videos, guys. So yeah. Oh, we've got a new fridge. I'll tell you that as well. Plus we had a leak the other day. I'll tell you that as well. So yeah, in this video, this channel is gonna be all about home videos and videos that I do away from crafts and that. So let's get a new fridge, right? With that fridge gone. So last week we ordered a new fridge and it came. So I'll show you that in a minute. Plus the other day, I was in bed asleep and Cheryl said, "We've got a leak," right? Upstairs kept banging, right? And they banged so much, the water from upstairs came to the bathroom. So we had no light for a week. We had to use our phones, the light on our phones to wash ourselves with. But then they came to fix it anyway, guys. So yeah. So first of all, I'll show you the a new fridge, and then a new fridge, and then I'll show you the bathroom after. So this is our new fridge. It's a Echo, and it's a frost-free one. We had to get one because every time we put the milk in there, it went all sour and bad. So we had to get a new fridge, and we put all our magnets on there and that. So yeah, we had to get a new fridge, guys, because an old one, well, that had it. We've got a fridge and a freezer. So yeah, and let me show you inside the fridge. Right. So now all these cans here are really nice and cold. It wasn't cold before. Now are really nice and cold. So yeah. Got my milk now. It's nice and cold. So yeah, got our milk there. Got eggs, my jelly. Got oranges in there. Got cream in there. Got my water in there. So yeah, it is now a new fridge, nice and cold. So yeah. So we came back from Southend, and I saw that big wet patch up there, and I said to Cheryl, "The big wet patch up there," and then few days later, one came along, and then, yeah, I'll tell you that one. I want a minute. But that one's been there since we come back from Southend. So, yeah. And then after that one came, we had another one, which was that one now. That one came. Oh, this bit of string here was all wet. And that, we actually get another light and a bit of string and everything else. The carpet, the carpet, the mats on the floor was all wet and that. So yeah, it's a leak that we had. Don't know how it happened, but it, you know, it was awful. We phoned up and I haven't done it. First, they came and took out the light, and then they took out the bit of string, and then they came to, and then a week later they came to fix it all back. Let's let it dry to fix it all back. So yeah. So guys, it was awful. We had no light for a week. Like I said, we had to wash in, not wash, but to wash with our phones, like on our phones, because it was awful. So yeah, that one, and then that one, yeah. So yeah. So guys, that was an introduction to my second channel. Plus I showed you our new fridge, and also I showed you the leak that we had in the bathroom. And now this channel is all about home videos and the things that I do away from crafts. I am a crafty person, I love doing crafts, but this channel is all about home videos and that. So when I'm not doing crafts, I'm doing home videos for you guys. And when I'm not doing home videos, I should do crafts. That's how it's going to work out for this channel, right guys? So, as always, like, subscribe and comment. Okay? I might post regularly. It all depends on the crafts that I get and I do. I've ordered lots of crafts, but that's for my other channel, you know guys. So yeah. But yeah, just be patient with me. I'm deaf, but be patient. And yeah, just enjoy my videos on this channel, because there will be lots more home videos coming up. We will be decorating for Halloween soon, so that will be coming up here on my channel. When we decorate for Christmas, that one will be coming up as well here on the channel, and also some other home videos in between the crafts that I do. So yeah, stay tuned guys. Anyway, I can now leave you guys with this video. As always, like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. And guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all very soon in the next time video. Bye for now, guys.